Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and today we've got Danny Ketchens in with Galveston County Sheriff's Office, our local, I guess you could say, our local liaison, sheriff, know-it-all, resident sergeant over here. And with springtime coming up, spring breaks right around the corner or here, I wanted to go over the golf cart and UTV regulations again so that everyone knows what they can do, they can't do, who can drive them, who can't drive them, what they can drive and where.
Okay, nothing's changed from this year to last year. Golf carts, side-by-sides still have to be trailered to the beach, four-wheelers included. The only thing that can be on the county roads are the golf carts themselves.
And they have to have a license.
Correct, they have to be a licensed driver. I do not care if it's a mini four-wheeler or what, you have to be a licensed driver.
So even go-karts, golf carts, four-wheelers, UTVs, all of them have to be licensed.
And just to further explain that, there are no golf carts allowed on the beach. No golf carts, no pocket bikes, none of that.
Golf carts are?
Golf carts, side-by-sides and four-wheelers.
On the road, you mean?
No, on the beach. Go-karts are not allowed on the beach.
Okay, I thought you said golf carts.
No.
I was like, wait a minute.
No, go-karts are not allowed on the beach. Pocket bikes are not allowed on the beach.
The mini bikes.
The mini bikes, correct.
Okay, and if you're riding a dirt bike or you're riding a UTV, you have to be a licensed driver.
Correct.
And what about the helmets? Are they UTVs or just motorcycles?
Motorcycles and four-wheelers, you're supposed to be wearing a helmet and goggles. UTVs do not count. They have a roll cage on them.
Okay.
So you do not have to have helmets for that.
And golf carts, you can ride. And what about crossing the highway in a golf cart?
Yes, you can cross a highway at 90 degrees. You cannot drive alongside the highway. You cannot drive in the middle of the highway. So those are the only things other than regular vehicles that are allowed on the county roads.
Okay. Say a kid takes a golf cart and they're driving down the beach and an officer stops them. What process do y'all take? Do the parents have to come down and get it a lot of times?
We are able to tow it. We would get the parents down there to take the kid back. The parent can be cited for allowing that kid to drive that golf cart.
Really?
Yes, they absolutely can. That's why we try to encourage people to only have licensed driver on these vehicles.
What about insurance?
You're supposed to have insurance on everything too.
On golf carts and UTVs?
On everything that you drive,
okay.
Yes.
What about open containers?
No open containers. Not on golf carts, not on side-by-sides, nothing. Okay. That's regulated just like a regular vehicle.
So the beach is actually a road?
Correct, state highway.
State highway.
Correct.
So we just wanted to get it out, and I know Galveston County Parks has all this information on there. What about beach parking stickers for all that?
I'm glad you brought it up. You have to have beach parking stickers on anything you're going to park out there. But if you also notice on that beach parking sticker, there is a QR code at the bottom of the sticker where you can scan that code and it takes you directly to all of those rules.
Oh, does it?
It
okay.
does.
So UTV, anything you're parking on the beach has to have it, including a camper.
Correct.
Okay. And we get a lot of questions about the beach parking stickers. You can actually go to the Galveston County Parks website, and we've got a page and a link for them on our website. You can order the sticker ahead of time, or just stop by one of the local businesses down here. Just about all the stores have them. We don't have them here, but I know the big store has them. And then they also have ambassadors out on the beach that if you get to the beach and forget a vehicle that doesn't have one, they'll stop by and ask you politely that you'll need to purchase one, and they can pay by credit card there.
Correct.
Or they can pay by cash. And then you have to attach it to the inside of your window on the right-hand side, if I'm not mistaken.
It really doesn't matter which side, as long as you have it attached and it's visible.
Okay, great. Well, Danny, thanks for joining us today. I just wanted to get it out there again. We hadn't done one of these shows in a while, and if there's any changes, we'll keep you updated, but talking to Danny, I don't foresee any in the near future. I hope not. And thanks for coming in. I know you were in a class. Now you got to go back and do a class again, don't you?
Correct.
So we're going to head on out. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these two businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.